Wow, that's a lot of glue. That must mean one thing. It's time to play the Mystery Box Slime Challenge. It's Skye, the pink Paw Patrol pup that loves to fly. And our next contestant is... Oh no, it's Romeo from PJ Masks. Give me a big thumbs up if you love PJ Masks.
Hello everyone, I'm the master of slime, and I can't possibly lose against a doggy.
Romeo always likes to slime all the good guys, and he loves to cheat when he plays games. Romeo, you're not going to cheat today, are you?
No, of course I won't cheat. Not as long as I win. I don't need to cheat when I'm the best slime maker in the whole world. No silly girl Paw Patrol pup can defeat me. I'm Romeo. I'm the best.
Now, let's go over the rules of the game, everyone. We're going to have 4 rounds. Each round will have a secret mystery ingredient to make slime for each player. After 4 rounds, we're going to mix all of each player's ingredients into their bowl. Whoever has the best slime in the end is the winner. So are you ready to play the Mystery Box of Slime Challenge? Then, let's go! Okay everyone, here we are for round 1. Each player will get a special mystery ingredient. So let's see which one each player gets. Skye, can we see what you got this round? Let's reveal it! It's clear glue! Okay, that's not too bad for a start. But don't worry, maybe next round you'll get something more colorful, Skye. Up next is Romeo. Let's see what special ingredient you got. Glittery blue glue! That's so pretty!
I'm the best. I knew I'd get the best glues. Skye got the useless clear glue, and I got an amazing blue sparkle glue. This is an easy win.
The game isn't over yet, Romeo. Time to put the first ingredients into the bowl. First up is Skye's. I can barely even see it in there. It's the same color as the bowl. Oh well, maybe it will mix well with the next color she gets. Now, Romeo's turn. His glitter blue glue is so pretty. Let's put it in his bowl. Wow, so sparkly. It looks like the ocean. It's so blue. That's the first round. Is everyone ready for round number 2? Round number 2, here we come. Now here are our second surprise ingredients. I love mysteries, especially ones that involve making slime. Skye got some bright green slime. That's awesome. It's super green like Rocky the Recycling Pop. But what did Romeo get this round? Romeo got shaving cream. Shaving cream is a great ingredient for slime.
I know all about slime, so I know that shaving cream makes slime extra fluffy. I am definitely going to win this challenge. Skye will never win against the master of slime.
It's only round 2. There's still 2 more rounds. Now, let's put our round 2 ingredients in the bowls. Skye's green glue will mix in with her regular clear glue. It looks so cool. There, all done. And Romeo's shaving cream will foam out onto his sparkly blue glue. Extra fluffy! Wow! Let's mix everyone's ingredients together. Perfect! Skye slime is looking pretty good. Now for Romeo's. Wow! I've never seen slime like this before. Round 2 is over, and it's looking pretty close. Now it's time for round 3. What will we see this time? Skye got the magical activator that turns the glue into slime. You definitely need this to make slime. That's good. And what did Romeo get? Romeo got his dark green glue. Time to mix all of the ingredients for round 3. First is Skye's activator to make her yellow-green slime. We have to make sure to put in the perfect amount. Now for Romeo's green glue. I wonder what this will turn out like. That's a lot of different colors. We'll take a look soon. But first, we have to mix Skye slime. Great job, Skye! I love it! Let's go ahead and mix Romeo's fluffy slime. It's looking pretty good. Super fluffy. And green. This is so much fun. Now only one more round, and then we decide the winner of the Mystery Box of Slime Challenge. Here's our last round, everyone. Round 4. Each player will get one more ingredient to add to their slime, and then it's over. Let's take a look at everyone's ingredients. Skye's last ingredient is confetti. Confetti is one of the very best slime ingredients ever. It's shiny and colorful. And what did you get, Romeo? You got activator. That's perfect, just what you needed.
What? Silly activator? That's not fair. Skye got confetti. Confetti is the best, so I should have it. Here, try me, puppy.
Sorry, Romeo. You keep yours and she'll keep hers. Besides, activator is a good ingredient. You can't make slime without activator, silly boy. Here we go. A little confetti for Skye slime. So pretty. Skye loves this so much. Let's mix that confetti in. It's looking so good. All of those colors. Nice job, Skye. And now for Romeo's. Romeo gets to add activator to his. This will make sure his glue turns into slime. Whoa, this slime is so green. And so fluffy too. Not bad at all. Guess what? You get to decide who wins. Now the rounds are over and it's time to vote. Skye slime is icky, sticky, and pretty. Romeo's slime is stretchy and fluffy. Okay, everybody, let me know in the comments who you think had the best slime. Will it be Skye's yellow confetti slime that is rainbow colored and reminds me of a unicorn? Or Romeo's fluffy green shaving cream slime that is fun to play with and is like a mushy swamp? I think they're both pretty great. But what about you? After you cast your vote, then remember to subscribe to my channel for more slime videos. Now, who is ready for another exciting adventure?